Introduction. You will learn exactly how to create and sell your very own profitable products online. Having your own digital products gives you the ability to generate a six-figure online business from the comfort of your own home. Your digital products will sell for you online 24/7, 365 days a year on autopilot when set up correctly, bringing in passive income for years to come. Isn't that the dream? Passive income? Look, let's be honest. This is not going to happen by doing nothing. You will have to take action on this guide and implement what you learn. Only then can you live that laptop lifestyle. Selling information products are not only cheap to produce, they are also very easy to produce. Once you have done it once, you can literally rinse and repeat the same process. So it's definitely a skill worth learning. Also, digital information products can be sold at scale, as what you're selling is a digital download and not something you need to physically send to the customer. This provides you with massive advantages. So what do we mean when we say information products? Any product that gives people information, usually a solution to some sort of problem. People pay to get out of the hole they just fell in, not how to avoid holes. Solutions to problems always sell well. For instance, a product could tell people how to train a dog, lose weight, design a website, cure bad breath, meet members of the opposite sex, put up shelves, apply makeup, or paint a portrait using oil paints. An information product can be made in video form as an ebook or as an audio recording. Some types of information products lend themselves better to one form than another. It's easier than you think. Most people who are new to the internet, or even some who have been around for a while, believe that they can't create their own ebooks or CDs, videos, etc. because they can't write. There are also a lot of so-called gurus who will have you believe that it's more difficult than it actually is. What I'd like to show you through this special guide is that you can create your own ebooks and other products, and you can do it fast. Anyone can write an ebook or create a digital information product. Once you have the content, you can turn that into different digital formats like audios, videos, and written text. You can do this. Change your mindset and say to yourself, I can do this. Ever heard of this quote? If you think you can't, you're right. If you think you can, you're right too. It all comes down to you.